You can make $1,000 a day with Amazon's affiliate program, but only if you do it the right way. We all use Amazon, and we've all recommended products to our family and friends that we've bought from here. With the Amazon Associates program, you can actually make money from these recommendations by getting paid a commission at no extra cost to the people who make a purchase through your affiliate link. To turn this into a growing business, you want to recommend the Amazon products that you love to as many people as possible. The key is to be consistent and make sure that you're creating a lot of high-quality content to reach these people. In the past, this would take a lot of effort and time, but now you can do it easily with AI tools. In this video, I'll break down a simple, repeatable system that you can do as a complete beginner with zero investment. I'll show you how to pick a great affiliate product to promote and how to market it using free AI tools. Let's get started. Before you can start making money, you need something to sell, but you don't want to just pick random products and hope for the best. That's where most people go wrong. They promote things no one cares about or products that barely sell. Instead, you need to find products that are already trending, things people are actively looking for and buying. That's what gives you the best shot at making real commissions. To find these kinds of products, you can use a website called Calodata. This tool tracks trending products on TikTok, which is perfect because TikTok is one of the biggest platforms for viral e-commerce. Every day, products blow up there and sell out within hours. Calodata lets you see what's currently trending, what's getting the most views, and what's selling the best. That means instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on real data. To start, sign up for Calodata for free. Once you're in, you can search for products and filter by different categories to find ones with a strong demand. For example, we can have a look at kitchen-related products. The goal is to find something that has a lot of engagement, meaning people are commenting, sharing, and actually buying. When you find a product that looks promising, copy the link and save it in a Google Doc. Step 2. Set up your Amazon Associates account. As I said earlier, the Amazon Associates program is Amazon's affiliate program, which means they'll pay you a commission every time someone buys an Amazon product through your unique affiliate link. And yes, Amazon's commissions aren't the highest in the world, but what makes it powerful is the trust factor. People already buy from Amazon every day, so they don't need convincing. If you haven't already signed up, go to the Amazon Associates website and click on Sign Up. The process is pretty simple. You'll need to enter your account details, including your name, email, and payment information. Amazon will also ask how you plan to promote products. If you don't have a website, that's fine. You can say you'll be using social media, which is exactly what we're doing here. Once you've filled everything out, Amazon will review your application. This usually doesn't take long, and once you're approved, you're officially an Amazon affiliate. Step 3. Get your affiliate link. Now, it's time to search for a similar product to what we found trending on Calodata. I can type in air fryer in the search bar on Amazon. I'll look for the top air fryer products that have at least 4 stars and thousands of reviews. The more positive reviews a product has, the easier it is to sell because people already trust it. Let's go for this one. Once you're on the product page, you'll see the Amazon Associates toolbar at the top of the page. Click on Get Link and then choose the text option. This will generate a unique affiliate link just for you. Every time someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you get a commission. Copy this link and paste it into your Google Doc next to the product details. Step 4. Create content. You need to drive traffic to your affiliate link in a way that actually converts. The best way to do that is through short-form video content, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are built for viral content, and with the right approach, you can get thousands, even millions of views without spending $1 on ads. But I completely get that most people don't want to show their face on camera, spend hours editing, or come up with creative video ideas. So I recommend using AI tools. Instead of making videos from scratch, you can use Wondershare Verbo. To get started, go to the Wondershare Verbo website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on AI Video Generator. Then click on Create Video Now. That will take you to this page where you can click on AI Video Generator from the menu on the left. Now click on URL to video. Here, paste the standard Amazon product link, not your affiliate link, just the regular product page link. Then, click on Analyze URL. Vrbo will then scan the page and pull images, descriptions, and other details. Next, you'll need to confirm the information. Double-check that the product details are all accurate. For TikTok and Instagram Reels, you want a vertical format. For YouTube Shorts, you can use either vertical or square. You can also set the duration. Keeping it between 30 and 60 seconds works best because shorter videos tend to perform better. Another key feature is the voiceover. Vrbo lets you add an AI-generated voice to narrate the video. You can choose from different voices and languages, which is useful if you want to target international audiences. If you want to take it a step further, you can even use an AI avatar, which is basically a digital person who speaks and presents the product. This makes the video feel more professional and engaging. This is a powerful way to increase your reach because not everyone speaks English, but people all over the world buy from Amazon. In Vrbo, there's an option to translate videos automatically. Just upload your video, select the original language, then choose the language you want to translate it into. There's even a lip sync feature that adjusts the AI avatar's mouth movements to match the new language. Once the translation is done, add subtitles if you need to, and then download the translated version. Now that you have your video, it's time to post it where people will actually see it. Upload the video to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to reach as many people as possible. In your video description, add a call to action telling people where to find the product. Since social media platforms don't allow direct affiliate links in video descriptions, the best way to go about this is to put the link in your bio and direct people there. A simple caption like "link in bio" or "check out the product here" works well. On YouTube Shorts, you can also pin a comment with the link. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for people to click through and buy. Now, here's the thing. One video isn't going to make you $1,000 in a day, but when you do this consistently, uploading multiple videos every week, your traffic builds up. Some videos will take off, some won't, but over time, as you promote different products and refine your strategy, you'll start seeing commissions come in. This system works because it's built on proven fundamentals: promoting trending products, using AI to create engaging content, and taking advantage of platforms that give you free exposure. Will you be trying this method out? What do you think about affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.